A scientific breakthrough in the long road to finding a cure for Alzheimer's, and a BYU professor happens to be part of the team that made that discovery. Dan Rescone spoke with him and joins us live from the BYU campus in Provo. What is this discovery, Dan?
Well, Shauna, what we're talking about here is finding a specific kind of variant in a gene that actually means that if you have this variant, then and you have Alzheimer's, then it's going to attack your body twice as fast. Now, by being able to discover this gives one more clue to scientists in the long research of trying to understand Alzheimer's.
We're unraveling some of the mysteries of this disease.
Inside this biology lab at BYU, a breakthrough has occurred in the study to find a cure for Alzheimer's, a dreadful disease that affects more than 4.5 million people in the United States alone.
Bed. I mean, it's not a Nobel Prize, but it's a big deal.
At the young age of 30, biology professor John Kauwe is part of a team that has identified a genetic marker that, when found in an Alzheimer's patient, it causes the disease to progress twice as fast in some cases.
People that have this particular genetic variant, when they get Alzheimer's disease, they actually get sick and show more severe symptoms substantially faster than individuals that don't have it.
What that means for scientists is that now it narrows the field to a specific genetic marker in a patient that can then open doors to what causes Alzheimer's and how to attack it.
I feel like we've developed an approach that's going to allow us to really make a lot of progress in Alzheimer's disease over the next 5 years in understanding new mechanisms for disease, understanding which genes are involved.
And with plenty of energy left, John plans to be part of that team that eventually does find a cure for Alzheimer's.
It's fun to be involved at this stage of my career and know that I've got 30 or 35 years of this work ahead of me, and I hope to see it through to the end.
Now, if you have a loved one with Alzheimer's or something like that, unfortunately, it doesn't mean you could take them to the clinic then and see whether or not they have this genetic marker. This is more for scientists in being able to study how to basically treat Alzheimer's. Now, at this time, this study is so significant that it is being published right now in a very significant genetic journal. Jonna, back to you.
Exciting research. All right, Dan.